Guys, it's your girl Clark and welcome back to my channel. So we have a new video for today, and this video is we are going to review this cushion for Papa Feel. So I've got this, I've got this from Cosmo Beaut. In order to review this cushion, just keep on watching. So this cushion, I've been testing this for almost a week. So it's not a first impression review, but this is already, so I'm gonna review this as what do you call it, as my impressions or masasabi ko dito sa cushion na ito. So I've opened it kasi tinest ko na siya for a week kasi hindi ako makapag-review kung ano yung saloobin ko dito sa cushion na to. So first up, it's in the mirror and I like this kind of consistency with this. Then we're gonna put the product. Then okay, let's see. Okay, it covers the coverage was insane. Okay, if you apply the product in here, and it's very clear that it covers everything in here. Actually, it covers everything in here, dito sa aking pero at the personal. Pero hindi lahat nako-cover, pero yung redness nako-cover siya. Let's try this. Sa kabila. Okay. It's okay. Pwede siyang simutin using the sponge kasi it blends pretty well. Ayan o, it blends pretty well. Yung imperfections ko na natatakpan. That's what I love about this one. Okay, second layer naman. So, ito yung second layer. Ito yung natatakpan talaga lahat. Parang kailangan, pag gusto mo ng sobrang takip na takip ang lahat, you need 2 layers to build up the product. 2 layers for this one. This cushion is one of the must-try. Si Papa Feel is one of the must-try affordable cushions around the town. I don't know how much is this one, but it explains that it is a good cushion to try. Actually, meron na siyang SPA 50++. May sun care protection na siya. In terms of matte, it mattifies everything. I prefer yung Skintific talaga. Kasi, this one, yung mattification niya, hindi siya na-mattify for the first layer. Hindi siya ma-mattify yung mga dark spots. Pero na-mattify yung redness ng aking face. But the simple eye bags, hindi talaga. Kailangan ko ng 2 layers para ma-cover yung aking eye bags. Kasi meron pang halatang eye bags here. Pero yung redness ng aking face, this one is a good cushion. It is considered as one of my favorite cushions na rin. Kasi yung consistency ng product na ito, kasi madali, kasi very siya. Are you asking? It is lasting matte flawless after I try it for so many weeks? Yes. Yes, it is. Pero pag oily skin ka, definitely it's not a good product that you should it's not a good product that you should use kasi madali siyang mahulas on my face. But pag mga pagpawisin ka kasi madali mahulas yung cushion. Pero kung mga nasa cold or what, maganda pa rin yung finish niya on my face, in fairness. So I like this cushion talaga kasi madaling makuha yung product. Ito yung talaga yung na-in-love ako na cushion that I would love to try every cushions around there. So, ito yung pangalawa. The first one was Skintific. I like the Skintific more than this one. But this one is for everyday use. Yes, you can use this for everyday. So, that's it for my review for Papa Feel. For Papa Feel cushion. Feel lasting, matte, flawless, nourishing cushion. BB cushion. So, I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you like this video. Just don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. God bless and bye-bye. See you in my next video.